Hello, this is Christian. I'm at Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough, Maine. I'm here with our Mercedes AMG GT43. It's a brand new car. It's in our line of other beautiful AMGs that we have. Let me show you around it. As you can see, this car is finished in CIRRUS silver metallic. These very beefy 10-spoke AMG wheels. Quad exhaust pipes in the back. Your active aero on the rear hatch. Your subwoofer for your Burmester sound system. Jumping onto the inside, you see this beautiful multi-spoke AMG steering wheel. Drive mode selects on the steering wheel. Control stuff for your exhaust, your suspension, your drive modes on the right. Your proprietary AMG GT center here. Cup holders, as well as your USB-Cs right there. Drive mode selector like you would find on the GT sports car. Got your CarPlay and then a place to put your phone here. It is wireless charging as well in there. Beautiful AMG bucket seats throughout. 2 USBs back there. Burmester surround system throughout. Go ahead and get you in the back of this so you can listen to the cold start. Jumping into the back. These nice bucket seats here. They hold you very securely. It's a very nice car. Very, very nice car. This car is available. As previously stated, we have it listed for just under $100,000, so MSRP. If you are interested in this vehicle, it is ready for immediate delivery. With that said, you can reach out to me directly. My number is 207-510-2266. And just give me a call or a text over there, and I will be able to assist you in getting you set up with this vehicle. Thank you, and have a good rest of your day.